Welcome back, everyone, to our podcast on body fitness. In the last segment, we learned what fitness is and why it is important. Today, Ayesha will share her personal journey, her lifestyle before starting fitness, and what made her change.
Hello, sir. Yes, I am excited to share my story.
Great, Ayesha. Let's start with your life before you decided to focus on fitness. What was a typical day like for you?
Sir, I think it was not very healthy. I used to wake up late, around 10 o'clock. I would skip breakfast and drink tea or coffee. Then I used my phone or watch TV all morning.
I see, that's very common for many people. Grammar tip. When talking about habits in the past, we use used to plus verb. For example, I used to wake up late. I used to skip breakfast. This shows something you did regularly in the past, but don't do now.
Oh, I understand, sir. So I can say I used to eat fast food every day.
Exactly. Perfect sentence, Ayesha.
Thank you, sir.
So, what kind of food did you eat before you started focusing on fitness?
Mostly fast food and snacks. Chips, soda, chocolates. I loved them.
It sounds delicious, but not very healthy.
Yes, sir. At that time, I didn't care much about health.
And what about exercise? Did you do any physical activity?
Very little, sir. Maybe walking a few steps inside the house, or sometimes playing a little in the garden. Nothing serious.
That explains why you felt tired quickly.
Yes, sir. Even small work like cleaning the room made me tired.
That's an important point. Fitness is not just about looking good. It is about having energy for daily life.
Yes, sir. That's what I realized after some time.
So, Ayesha, what was the turning point? What made you decide to change?
Sir, the turning point was one day when I tried to play badminton with my friends. After 5 minutes, I was out of breath and couldn't continue. My friends laughed gently and said, "Ayesha, you need exercise." That moment stayed in my mind.
Ah, so that moment motivated you to start your fitness journey.
Yes, sir. I thought, if I don't take care of my body, I will feel weak all my life.
That's a very strong realization. Expression tip. That stayed in my mind means it was memorable or left an impact.
Yes, sir. After that, I started thinking about small steps to improve my health.
Small steps are very important. Many people give up because they try to change everything at once.
I know, sir. I started slowly. First, I decided to wake up early. Then, I tried to drink more water and eat healthier food.
Excellent! Waking up early and drinking water are simple but powerful habits. Grammar tip. When talking about steps or plans, we use first, then, next, finally. For example, first, I woke up early. Then, I ate breakfast. Next, I went for a walk.
Oh, that's helpful, sir. So, I can say, first, I drank water, then I walked for 10 minutes.
Perfect! Very natural sentence.
Thank you, sir.
So, what kind of exercises did you start? Gym workouts or home exercises?
I started home exercises, sir. I watched videos on stretching, yoga, and light workouts. At first, it was difficult. I felt pain in my legs and arms.
That is very common. When you start, your body is not used to movement.
Yes, sir. But slowly, my body became stronger. I could do more exercises every day.
Excellent progress. This shows consistency is very important. Expression tip. Slowly, my body became stronger emphasizes gradual improvement.
Yes, sir. I also changed my food habits. I ate more fruits, vegetables, and home-cooked meals.
That's very good. Healthy food supports fitness. Vocabulary tip. Fruits. Apples, bananas, oranges, etc. Vegetables. Spinach, carrots, tomatoes, etc. Home-cooked meals. Food cooked at home, usually healthier than fast food.
Yes, sir. I also reduced soda and chocolates.
Very smart decision. Small changes in diet can make a big difference.
I realize, sir, that fitness is not only about exercise. It is about a healthy lifestyle.
Perfect sentence, Ayesha. That's exactly what we want our listeners to understand.
Thank you, sir. I also started tracking my progress. I wrote in a notebook what I ate, how long I exercised, and how I felt.
That is excellent. Tracking progress helps you stay motivated. Expression tip. Stay motivated means to keep your energy and interest.
Yes, sir. When I saw small improvements like more energy or better mood, I felt happy and wanted to continue.
Wonderful. That shows the power of small steps and patience.
Yes, sir. At first, I couldn't run for 5 minutes. After a month, I could run 15 minutes easily.
That is great progress. Grammar tip. We use could plus verb to talk about ability in the past. For example, I could not run 5 minutes before. After training, I could run 15 minutes.
Oh, I understand. So, could shows past ability.
Exactly. Ayesha, very good.
Thank you, sir.
So, Ayesha, to summarize this segment, what lessons did you learn from your early fitness journey?
I learned that small changes every day are better than big changes all at once. I learned to be patient with my body and celebrate small wins. And I realized that healthy habits make life better, more energy, better mood, and confidence.
Excellent summary, Ayesha. These lessons are very important for everyone.
Thank you, sir. I hope our listeners also start small and keep improving every day.
That's right, Ayesha. And in the next segment, we will talk about starting daily fitness habits, exercises, and routines step by step so our listeners can follow along easily.
I'm excited to share that, sir.
Wonderful. See you in Podcast 3.